Hello, welcome back all of you. This is Tech Guy here. Let's continue with the Python series. So today our topic is how to take user inputs in Python. Um, so here, first of all, we will just take one basic example here. Okay. So if I have x is equal to 100, then y equal to 200, I just need the sum of these two numbers. What I do? I can do one thing. I'll just add x plus y. Okay, so x plus y, then I'll just print the sum. Okay, like this I'll print sum of sum of sum of two numbers, like this I'll print. So first I will execute these codes. I will select it, center. So I got it. 200 plus 200 is 300. So I've seen in this output 300. I got the code. This is hard coded value. See, this value I have given, this is a hard code. This value already have given. It's a hard code, hard value. We give, if you want to go for like value, user can change as per the requirement value, because in the real time always we need to take the value from user only. We cannot hard code the value and all in the system, in any of the software. So in the future, whatever the projects will working at any of the company, that time we need to work on real time system only. That time we cannot hard code the value. As per the user requirement, company requirement, we need to work. So here, what we will do, I just want, here I've written value, but I'm uh, what we will do here, now we will think like system will ask, please enter the x value, please enter the y value. So what we can do here for that, now what we will do, I'll take another example so you'll understand better. So here I'll take here first, I'll take like here, like how to take input. Input means we have one function, input function. In input function, then here I'll write a message like enter the x value, like enter x value, enter x value, enter x value, print like message I written. Now I will store this value into the input. Okay, I mean sorry, x. Then I will one. I will take one more y. Then I will take input again. I will take input. Then I will return here enter, enter y value. I will enter like this message. Done. But before that, I want to show you one thing. Now I will just typecasting. Later I will show you why I'm typecasting here also. Right? For this example, I will show you just what and why I'm doing typecasting here. I will typecast in integer int. Okay, it's typecasted. Now what I will do? Okay, I will take these two lines again here. Okay, so now I will execute this code. See here, now it's asking for enter the x value. So x value I will enter 100. Okay, I will enter 1000 this time. Now enter the y value. I will enter 2000. See the sum of, you can see the output 1000, 2000. Sum is 3000. Like this we can go. So like this we can take the input from user. But before that, we should know one thing. Okay, I'll show you. Input function always takes value in the string format. String format that we should know. Like, so what we will do, consider one thing like this is my input function. Okay, and I just want to take a value like enter x value, enter x value, enter x value, like this is my value, and I will store in a variable like x. Okay. Now I will print the value of x, and we will check the type also here, type of that with the help of type function, type of x. So here I will execute these three lines. Here they are asking me now enter x value, but I don't know like as per the, but if I want to value in the, if I enter like 100 also, if like example I enter integer value 100. Now what happened, I've got the value print x value 100, but now type is string. So always this will, always this statement input function always takes value in the string format only. What we can do, we can typecast. So here if I'll typecast here in integer, I can typecast here in integer. Okay. Now if I typecast in integer, what happens? See here now. If I enter the value of x, okay, so again, same value will enter 100. Now see 100 we got it. Now earlier the type was here, we can see earlier the type was string, but now after typecasting the type the type of this x is integer. If you want in float also we can do. If I want the value in float, what I will do, I'll copy, paste it here. Okay, so here another example. So now my value will be in the starting, the value will be in the form of string, but I'm typecasting in the floating point. Now if I'm entering the value of this one, enter like 2020, then I got the value in 20, like see enter x value is 2020, 2020.2 float type, like we can see we can go. One more thing I would like to discuss, like if we need to add two numbers, I mean sorry, two strings, add two strings, add two strings, what we can do here, here I'll take like x and y. Okay, so x equal to, I will take, because I'm entering the string, so no need to typecast also. Enter, enter x, enter first string. Here we can, you can type any message as per your requirement. Y, just type input, then enter second string, second string. This you type it. Then what I'm thinking, what I will do, I'll take like z equal to x, x plus y. Then I will print here a message like okay, okay, then string is z, like this I will write it. So first what we will do here, passing into the first string. Okay, so here first string I will enter some string Python. Second string I'll enter like studio. Sorry, so see I got my new string is Python coding studio, but I need a space here. What can I do? What I will do here, for the space I'll do one thing. For the space I can do one thing. Here I'll give one space here. Okay. Then I'll add one plus here. After that I enter this is empty string like this. You can do add both this plus like this you can enter. So now I will execute here. What we are doing, we are just entering the string. The space, I'm adding the space between this. So again I will enter same string Python. Then I will coding, coding studio. Now see we got the output. The new string is like this. With the help of this plus operators we can use. So it's very interesting topic. We can use, even though like when we'll going for in the real time examples, we'll working on one of the working in the companies, that time will be most of the time we need to take the inputs from the users itself only. So that time it's very useful concept, and everyone should know this concept, even though it's very easy. uh, uh, okay, we'll do one thing here. One more thing I would like to say, here you can do, here you can take the value in the form of string expression. Yeah, expression also you can do expressions. Yeah, if you need an expression value also you can take it. So what we will do for expressions, we'll take same input. First I will take input like enter an expression, like enter an expression, enter an expression, like this we need to take for expression and store in the x variable. But what we are doing for the expression, we have one method, we have one function that is called eval eval. We have this eval method. It's a method. Okay, it's a very wonderful method. So I'll just write here eval. Right here you will like your typecasting is the same thing. I will typecast here like you will now see here. Now what we'll do here, I will write the expression. You got, you can see now if I enter some expression like, okay, 10 plus 2, and how much we should get, 10 into 2, 20, 20 plus 20 is 40, right? 40 I got it. Again if I want to enter here, then if I want to enter here, I will execute. Now this time I will enter 12 into 2 divided by, see, 2.4 we got it. Like this we can go. And one more thing I would like to tell you here, if you want to go like, we have one more that while, and that means infinite loop, but I'll just showing you one concept. For that we have another video that also you can go and watch it. So example, if I want to go here, if I'll apply the while statement, already you know while and false, we have made the video on this in the topic. You can go and watch it. It's a wonderful concept. So here we have one more concept, that is while true. So that what happens in while true, continuously we are we are executing, but here I'm thinking every time the user asking me to input, so what I will do, I'll like while true is there, so I will while true, in the place of true, if you want you can press 1 also, but if you give here 0 or false, that time it condition will not enter that. Okay, first we'll check this false condition only. Let's see what happens. Let's see. First I will execute this one. It's not asking anything else. Sorry, it's if not asking anything else. If I'll putting here also, see, it will work like this. See, if I'll try to execute, it will not throw any errors. But if I'll give here true or 1, I'll give true here. Now I'll do like this. It'll asking enter the expression. Now we'll enter 10, 20 plus 30 minus 1. Like this I enter. Again it's asking me enter an expression. So continuously it will be asking me 20 into 3 plus 12. Now it's again asking, it will be asking me continuously. So what we can do here, we need to write one how to terminate this loop. So in this video I will not be telling you because it will be little bit confusion for you guys, so I'll be terminate from here only. In future another video, we have made another video, you can go and watch that video. Okay, this much only the today's session. See this much, like, okay, here you can clear, write something. Okay, it's done, clear from here. Okay, this much only today's session. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.